period of my entire career in the UPDF, I have earned a lot of trust from my superiors. Not only that, a lot of trust. I became a brigadier general at a very young age, and I have been a general for the last 14 years. 14 years. And for me, I would say it is the trust of my superiors, trust of my commander-in-chief, and of course, the grace of God as well. For the last 2 years, I've held various responsibilities. I've been the Sector 1 Commander, popularly known as Wontico. And on my arrival here in Uganda, when I landed at Entebbe Airport, I was promoted. I was given a rank of Acting Major General and appointed the Deputy Commander of Land Forces in a tour of duty that I have enjoyed working with immensely with Afande Kayanja. And before I could finish the enjoyment of working in that tour of duty, here I am as a service commander. So I really want to thank God, and I also want to thank my superiors for the trust and confidence they have in me.